Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to give you an update and also wanted to talk about my new camera setup. As you might have noticed in my previous videos, the movements of my mouth and also the movements of my hands were not in tune with what sound was actually recorded. So I decided to do a test run using my smartphone, which is a Samsung Galaxy J2. Pretty old model, but it seems to be working out well. I will try and add an opener at the beginning of this video, but please let me know if this setup is actually better than in my previous videos. Yes, that's my new camera setting. And secondly, as I mentioned in the opener, there's an update on my the power of 20,000 rupiah. As you might know, know from my previous videos, I've been collecting, or I've been saving all of the 20,000, which is roughly not roughly, but which is a challenge that is equivalent to the $5 keep saving the $5 challenge. And as you see, I've changed the container because the first one got to be really full. This one is full but not yet compacted. I'm trying to compact it still. I've developed a method of folding the banknotes. I will definitely keep you posted and also keep you up to date with what I want to do with this money, because there's a specific goal, but I will reveal that in the next video. Until then, I hope you have a pleasant day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.